Hi guys. Last time we discussed something about yin and yang. So yin and yang is the basic nature of the universe. It is basically how the universe is formed from nothingness, and this nothingness leads to a splitting which is called yin and yang, and the intermingling of this yin and yang components results in what we see the physical nature and the energy aspect of it, of course. Now, since we talked about yin and yang, further, we have to understand what it later on transforms into. So, this yin and yang further splits into three different components. So, according to Taoism, what it says is Tao Sheng Yi, Yi Sheng Er Sheng San, San Sheng Wan Wu. So, a literal interpretation is like Tao, which is the creation of the universe, which is the reason for the creation of the universe. First, it leads to formation of one, which means that is that empty energy that we talked about, Uji, which doesn't have a polarity, which doesn't have a form. Then it splits into E Sheng R. R means it splits into two. Two is basically yin and yang. Since this yin and yang is basically an energy that is having duality. So from Advaita to Dvaita, it is like from singularity to a duality. Further, Arshang San means that three for the two to have a proper creation of this universe, you need to further create into three different components, and these three components together then leads to the formation of the species or formation of the universe, which is called Wanwu. So San Sheng Wanwu. So what are these three components which are most essential to the formation of this universe? So according to Taoism, we later split this yin and yang into three components, which is called Jing, Qi, and Shen. So if you take literal translation of this, it means Jing means essence, Qi means energy, and Shen means spirit. So this is like literal translation. But as we established last time that Chinese language is so complex that when it says some specific word, it might not actually mean that specific word. It might mean something much more. So if we take at the example and consider that, so let us consider that these three components are the essential nature of this universe, then they can be divided into three different things. Jing is basically essence. Essence, what it actually implies is that it is the physical nature of it. The physics, where the laws of physics apply, is the physical nature of the universe. That is basically like in human being, this body, the blood, the nervous connection, the organs, everything comes under the physicality of the universe, that is called Jing. After the Jing, the second aspect is called the Qi. So the Qi is basically what runs the Jing. So Qi is basically that energy, that vital form of energy which we had talked in previous episode of acupuncture. In that we have clearly mentioned different types of Qi. So all these different types of Qi also relates to the intermingling of these different components of the Jing and led to the